I'm Casper.
I'm CC.
We love to explore and see new places.
Come along with us on an adventure as we talk about places we have been to.
We will review places when we visit.
So join us on today's adventure.
Please like and subscribe to be notified on our next video.
Today we are looking at a B-class tram, which was known as the Ferry Tram, which operated from Como to Main Street Jetty. This particular tram is not a replica, but an actual tram which was restored to static display by the Perth Tramway Society, which operates out at Whiteman's Park. And as we go walk around the tram, there are some information boards which we'll have a look at. Feel free to pause the video to have a further read. This article here I found rather interesting. The driver of the first tram around Main Street, Charles Pontilia of Hoover Terrace, was formerly known as Uncle Charlie, also drove the last service on 10th of June, replacing 1950s trams and by bus service. And now we'll step on and we'll have a look. Unlike modern day, the old ringer bell, and even the seats were able to be reversed for change of direction. So you could always travel forwards, except for the end seats here, which are always pointed in the same direction. So tell me, Casper, what do you think of this old tram that was restored by volunteers at the Perth Tramway Society?
Well, I think it's really good as it brings back the history and the fact that it was part of South Perth as well, which has a lot of history in that, and maybe one day